Hey, welcome back to the channel. And guys, today we want to talk a little bit about the YouTube partnership program. Why is it taking so long to get approved? When are you going to get approved? So I'm going to try my best to answer that question today for you. So the YouTube partnership program, if you've applied for it or if you're eligible for it, you probably already know the details of it. You need 4,000 watch time hours and you need over 1,000 subscribers, and that was changed. The policy was changed. It used to be you only needed 10,000 views, which some people thought were just a lot of views to become a YouTube partner. And a lot of people finally got that. And if you were as unfortunate as I was, you got the 10,000 views. And right after you got it, they changed the policy to the over 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch time hours, which was even worse in my case, was that I was making a lot of good money off of my on my revenue, and it actually, in keeping with the terms of that policy, not long after I became a partner, they threw me out of the program because I didn't meet the subscriber count or the watch time hour count, right? So so I was thrown out of the program until I got back on it. So let me tell you how long it usually takes, and this is I did this is how it was for me. And as I've looked around YouTube and I've looked at some other people's content, this seems to be pretty much the case. And that was that it usually takes about a month. And I have to say that's pretty darn accurate because I think it took me about 4 months. Now, unfortunately, keep in mind that even reaching the requirements, it doesn't guarantee you'll become a YouTube partner. It does say you become eligible for a review, and a review is not clearance that you're gonna, or acceptance that you're gonna become a YouTube partner. So keep that in mind. Hopefully, you will become a YouTube partner in that time frame. Now, just to quickly tell you about, a lot of people upset about it. I know a lot of people go, well, this is ridiculous. It's too much to become a YouTube partner. The reason these rules have been changed in idea, there's only so many advertising dollars going around, and there's just people just throwing up countless spam videos. Probably got videos looking at walls, just all kind of crazy stuff. And the idea is to prevent all of that, but at the same time, try to provide more money for the YouTube content creators who are YouTube partners, right? So, the good part about it, or what should be advantageous to you once you're accepted into the YouTube partnership program, is that you'll make ideally more money than you made prior to how it was before, with them just accepting everybody in. So hopefully it'll be a better situation for you. I can tell you that I made pretty good. Now, what they don't tell you is that on average, you can make about, let's just say on 100 views, you're looking at about maybe 10 cents all the way up to $1 just on 100 views. And the reason I know this is I was doing really well. I could make a video and I can get about 1,000 views and I'd make something like $10 on 1,000 views, right? And the reason that was because they pay, depending on what you were covering, what the advertisers were paying, they pay a great deal of money if it's related to like financial content, or something to do with money or investments and stock trading. And I think at the time I had started dabbling with some binary options. And so with the binary options, they were paying a lot at the time. Now everybody's got rid of them. They're too risky. It's just like gambling. Everybody's doing crypto now. And so, but they were paying really good. So you can make an idea. I would say on a 1,000 views, I think the average YouTuber, he might take in $2 to $3, but you could actually make about $10 per 1,000 views with certain financial keywords. So so I was doing pretty good before they kicked me out of the YouTube partnership program. That's another thing. If you do fall below the requirement, you will be removed from it, and you have to start the process all over again. And then that takes another month. I've heard scary things like it's taken up to 6 months, but that doesn't seem to be the average. So I would say, guys, based on my experience with it personally, should take ideally, hopefully, for about a month. And hopefully that happens for you guys. You get into the YouTube partnership, make a little bit money off your content. Guys, if you like content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, take care.